Thanks, student 4. On the coding side, I built the core structure, which is the fee payment record class. That represents each student's payment record, along with the validation and calculation logic. The class has two parts, which is the private and the public part. The private stores the student's name, index number, program, total fee, amounts paid, and balance payment status. The public displays the functions I wrote. The functions I wrote include the input data function, which captures the user's input. Then we move to the balance calculation function, which calculates the total balance, which is equals to total fee minus amount paid. And finally, the payment status function, which determines the function using the same decision order from our pseudocode, which is invalid record first, then fully paid second, then overpayment, then partial payment, and finally not paid. We then store all the student records in a vector with its size depending on how many students the user says they will enter, and then loop through creating the processing and record for each student. Student 6 then took this and built the display and file saving site, which they'll show you now along with the live run of the program. Thank you.
Right, start. Okay. Good day, everyone. I'm Nkoma Morrison, Benjamin Kwame, in charge for the flow chart. And for the flow chart, we start here with an oval shape and displays the title and takes in the number of students, collecting their details, checking for negative values, calculating the balance in in this box, then moving through the chains of decision to clarify payment status. Once a student is processed, we display and save their report and run counters and look back for the next student. When the loop finishes, we display and save summary and end here. Every decision diamond in this flowchart corresponds directly to an if or else if in our pseudocode. So the three documents being algorithm, pseudocode, and flowchart all tell the same story. Now I'll pass to student 5 who will explain how we built this C++. Have a good day. Thank you.
My name is Sani Amadou, and I'm the one in charge of the pseudocode writing. Yes, pseudocode writing. So with this, we start by create an empty student list which saves the record after everything is being done. And then with that, with a menu, this menu works in threefold. We have 1, 2, 3. The 1 which is the add student records, the 2 display record, and the 3 which is the exit record. So when a student chooses option 1, there are informations in there that will be asked by this program in order for the information for the final information will be saved on the empty list being created. So first to be asked of the student name, the ID, the program, the amount paid, and the amount after the amount paid is being asked, it will be compared with the amount of money that the student needs to pay in order to check if the student has fully paid, partially paid, not paid at all. So that's how the option 1 works, and then the option 2 works in a way that one, when a student select that one, the information being displayed is for only the entire class. The amount being paid by entire class. So if there's 50 students in the class, the program will just display the amounts being paid by each and every student in the class. That's how the 2 works, and then the 3 works. The 3 works in a way that to just exit the program whenever a student select that 3. And with that, whenever a student selects a number which is not from that three, which is not from that information being displayed, the 1, 2, 3, it will continue to display invalid choice until that 3 is being selected for the program to exit. So this is the structured pseudocode behind the programming in which my fellow colleague just displayed earlier. Thank you.